difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana, and I know I'm looking as if I've just woke up from the bed, and that is true. I just woke up a while ago, and the whole purpose of this video is get ready with me. But here's the catch. As I'm getting ready, like for instance, I'm going to wash my hair and take a shower and do my skincare routine. So you're going to watch that part, pause the video and do the same. So it's a literal get ready with me. Okay, this is gonna be super fun, and let me know down in the comment section below how it went and how good you looked after this get ready with me. Alright, without wasting any further time, let's get right into this video. I'll start off by taking a shower. I won't show you me taking a shower, but I'll show you my hair care and skincare routine, and I'll shave off some peach fuzz which has been coming over here, so yeah, all of that. Alright, so now I just got out of the shower and you know my hair care and skincare routine, so I just did that. I shampooed and conditioned my hair and I washed my face with a face wash and I exfoliated my face with a face scrub. That's it, nothing much for today. And now to to speed up the process of your hairstyling regimen, what you can do is nicely towel dry your hair and take time with it, like nice gently, don't go harsh, and just go nice and slow, and make sure your hair's pretty much, you know, all the water's gone from your hair, no water's dripping down, and your hair's nice and damp, and it's almost as good as dry, but it should not be dry. Don't towel dry to the point your hair becomes dry. So now my hair is as good as dry and wet at the same time. Just work my way through for a few more seconds. Gently, remember gently, you don't want to go harsh because your hair is very fragile when it is wet. So go gentle. Okay, now it's time to do my skincare and hairstyling routine. So now pause this video and do the same. Then after you do the same, resume the video and then we'll go forward. So get ready with me. Okay, so now I'll apply hair oil throughout my hair. You guys are pretty familiar with the step. The reason I didn't show my shampooing and conditioning thing because the video become too long and you guys are already too familiar with it. See, the noise below my building. It is quarantine and you need to stay at your house, but people in my city are idiots and they're still roaming around even though they're supposed to stay at home, which is super irritating. You know, when I used to make videos when the coronavirus situation was not there and it wasn't quarantine, like I mean like people weren't supposed to stay at home. My building was so noisy, like so many people to roam about honking horns and stuff. And now people are supposed to stay home, but still there are idiots roaming around and they're honking so loud that it's disturbing my videos, which is super irritating. I don't know, I just brought that up because I was oiling my hair. I had to talk about something because it's super irritating, man. I'm doing work here and people are like, oh, what to say. Alright, so I oiled my hair. Roots everywhere, and I'll just grab my brush and comb. You know, it will be dry in like 8 to 10 minutes or so, or even lesser than that because my hair is almost dry. So just comb the sides, the top. Or just for letting it dry, I can just comb it to 2 different sides. What do you say? Just for now. Just to let it dry, 2 different sides. Probably, and then after it dries, I'll take it to the normal sides. This is fun. No, it looks weird. So always like spread your product evenly throughout your hairline with the help of a comb. It helps a lot and evenly distributes all your hair product throughout your hairline. So I'll leave it like that for now, and then I'll do my skincare routine, and then I'll put on some clothes, and by the time I put on clothes my hair will be ready and we're good to go nowhere. So getting ready to go nowhere. So pause the video, follow these steps, and then resume the video, and then we'll do some skincare. As for skincare products, I always fluctuate between Vow and Tea Chanley. As for today, I'm using Vow. So just a scoop of a moisturizer, and yeah, just apply it and go. Okay. You know, it's so difficult to see in the small camera screen and do your skincare routine. I mean, like, yeah, so weird to do that. Oh my god. There's something a man. Alright, so next, eye cream. Ow. Let's go. I don't know, will it ever be peaceful in my building, like the place where I stay? Even it's noisy during, it was noisy before and it's noisy still, like so irritating, man. If you recall in my older videos, you would hear a lot of car honking and all, because I live in a very noisy place, and still during the situation people are still roaming on the road and it's super noisy. So I'll apply some eye cream on my eyes. Alright, done. Next, lip balm, and you're done. Oh shit, I dropped it now. Yeah. Okay. Lip balm next. So my lips get super chapped. I need to apply more, man. I took so less. Oh my god, it's so irritating. I mean, like, it's noisy, and it really affects my video. Like when I'm speaking something, there's someone yelling, and I mean next door, I mean on the left side, someone's yelling, and I don't know, man. Story of my life. So done hair and skincare. I'll just comb my hair to the other side a bit. I mean, can't these people shut up? I mean, like, someone over here is yelling loudly. I don't know what. Well, I guess someone's fighting. Gosh, man. Why do you have to fight while I'm filming a video? I'll just redo my hair a bit. This side. Well, put it on the opposite side. I really can't decide. So we'll just put it here. And now you can pause the video, follow the same steps, and after that get ready with me and put on some actual clothes. Alright. Oh my god, it's so bright. Now the exposure is good, because when I come too close it becomes too bright. The more farther I go, the more proper, composed my video looks. Okay, so now it's time to get ready with me. Whoa. Wearing on a navy blue t-shirt. Yeah, I'm bored of wearing on white with denim jacket, so for a change, a navy blue t-shirt. What do we have here? A denim jacket, yay, my favorite. A denim jean, a denim pair of jeans. Then a good watch. And then I have shoes and socks here, which I'll show you in a while. So first I'll start by wearing on a t-shirt. Okay. Get ready with me. Follow the same steps, pause the video, repeat. Hope you guys are sticking around. Now, I don't know what I'm saying. So, now, I've worn on my denim jacket. Now what I have to do is, I'll cuff this up. So it's here. Simple, 1 up. Okay. 2. Complete. So, same thing. Roll it 1. If you don't know how to roll your sleeves, 1, 2. I like to cuff up my denim jacket sometimes. I mean, like most of the times because I think it looks cool. Next thing which I always forget is to fix my collar. And one more thing which I always forget is to zip my jeans zips. Happens to me a lot of times, and luckily I've not gotten myself into any embarrassing situation. But before I get into an embarrassing situation, I notice, oh my god, I need to zip my pants zips. And one more thing, the collar, which I fix it right now. So I'll wear on jeans now, and I'll wear on a watch first. Camera's angle again and again. This is what happens when you do not have a videographer at home and you have to, you know, change the camera angles by yourself again and again while shooting a continuous video. Okay, you guys can see. Wear on a watch like I'm doing. Okay. Wait, I need to fix a few things. Cuff this up a bit. Alright. Okay, so now I'm confused. A leather belt or a leather belt or a casual belt? I want to go with a leather belt, but it looks good on, you know, I don't know, maybe formal outfits and stuff. And a casual belt will pretty much go with this outfit. So, casual belt it is. I even have a white colored casual belt, but thing is, it will come good on my white, you know, what am I saying? It will look good on my white denim jeans, but I think the green will look much better. As it is, the belt won't be seen because my shirt will be covering it, and as it is, I'm not going out, but still have to pretend like I'm going out actually somewhere, but nowhere. I'm getting mad. Okay, so what else am I missing? Yeah, shoes. And I need to change my camera's angle again to show you that I'm wearing on shoes. Okay, so I just wore my belt. Pause the video, wear on your belt. And yes, don't forget to zip your zippers. Don't get into any embarrassing situations. I never got into any, but I've been so close to getting into embarrassing situations by forgetting to zip my zipper. Alright, I just zipped it right now, no embarrassing situation. So, shoes, pair of shoes I'm wearing today are my personal favorites. These, I'm going to pop them on right now, and we're ready to go. Okay, we are almost ready. Are we? Do you think I'm ready? And do you think you're ready? No, you're wrong. We aren't ready yet. We are missing some good cologne and fixing and a final hairstyle. That is the final step. So let's apply some cologne. Cologne, check. Smelling good, check. Next. Final hairstyle. So I'm gonna go for a classy look this time. I mean, like, I don't know. What hairstyle should I have? I mean, where should my hair go? I'm a bit confused. This hair's all dried up. But what should my final hairstyle be? I think a nice push back. I don't know. I always get confused As for you, your hair must be different, so what hairstyle are you gonna do for this outfit? It's more like a casual outfit, but I want my hair to look nicely put together, not to, all over the place, which my hair looks a lot nowadays. So, wait, I just can't style my hair looking to this, camera screen. I style my hair better when I look into the mirror. Okay. Let's fix this side too, and I think I'll end up on this side. Okay. I think I'll go with this hairstyle. I'm looking at this hairstyle. Fun fact about me, I'm very choosy about my hairstyles at times. Okay, so we are officially ready. You guys have followed along through full video, paused, and then got ready on your own along with me. So you guys must be having an end result too. So what you have to do is send me a picture of you on Instagram in my DMs, and the person who's looking the best and who has the best outfit, best hair, best everything, I'll give you a shout out on Instagram. Yeah, I will. So just send me a picture of how you're looking and you win a shout out. That's it. So the topic of discussion for today's video is, tell me what outfit you chose and what hairstyle are you wearing. Yeah, simple. Okay, I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. Like this video, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, comment whatever I told you earlier. I don't remember myself. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace. No, wait. I want to style my hair like this. No, like this. No, wait. I want my final hairstyle to be looking like this. No, I want to cut my hair, all of it.